Hello guys, my name is Ursula and welcome back to my channel, and today we guys are going to solve a new Leetcode question with the help of JavaScript, that is maximum count of positive integer and negative integer. So the question says, given an array num sorted in non-decreasing order, return the maximum between the number of positive integer and the number of negative integers. In other words, if the number of positive integer in nums is pos and the number of negative integers is neg, then return the maximum number of positive and negative. Note that 0 is neither positive nor negative. So if you guys have not understood this question, let me explain it to you with the help of example. Nums is equals to -2 -1 -1 1 2 3. So what actually we have to do here is you have to count the number of maximum and minimum numbers in the array. So if you count here, if you can count here, is there is 3 negative integers and there are 3 positive integers, so both are same, so we will return 3. However, if you look at the example number 2, there are 3 negative integers and there are 4 positive integers, sorry, 2 positive integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative, it's the 0. So if you count the number of negative integers, there are 1 2 3 3 negative integers. There are 2 zeros, so we will not count anything, and there are 2 positive integers. So 3 count is greater than 2 count, so we will return 3. However, similarly in example number 4, you can see there are 4 positive integers, so we will return the number of positive integers. So let's start to code this section. So just before starting to solve this question, guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So guys, what you will be doing here, you will be creating two variables through two counters. Let's say that pos count is equals to 0, and let neg count, that will count the number of negative. Neg count is equals to 0. Okay, so so any value that is greater than 0, it will be positive count, and any value that is less than 0 will be our negative count. So we can say that for let num of nums, if num is less than 0, means if it's less than 0, then it's a negative, so we can increase the count of neg count by 1. Similarly, else if num count is greater than 0, so we can say that increase the count of positive, so pos count plus plus. So what will be nums here? Nums is this array, and nums are these nums, so this is nums are these whole array. And what num would be, what will this be? These are -2 -1 -1 1 2 3. If we talk about, definitely with talk about example number 1. So now that's if so so now if when we have the count of both of these values, the positive count and negative count, we can compare both of them. So if we could say that positive pos count is greater than neg count, or else we can just write simply return math dot max negative neg count count and pos count. That will give the maximum value between both of these values. So if we run this code now, you see we have got our answer here. So What actually we did here is we just have used the mathmax dot function that will give us the maximum value between both of these values. So what these two values hold, these value holds the number of counts of positive and negative count. So that's all, that was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood this question, and if you haven't, please ask me in the comment section. I will try to sort it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.